Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. Who says that you cannot be a professional home barista? If you have a frothing cup like this one from LAMSTOM, then you can. This frothing cup is so easy to use. It comes with a base, you plug it into your wall outlet, and you have 4 different functions. So you can make a denser, lower key foam, a thick high foam. You can also make just heated milk, or you can use the cold foam option for your cold beverages. You can walk away and come back and it's all ready to go. The fill line inside is important to use, and that's why it's there. You fill up the milk just to that line and the cup will know what to do for you. The frothing feature works wonderfully, and it even came with a cleaning brush, so you can clean the little metal piece inside. However, it's so easy to clean. I really haven't been using the brush. I use a mild soap with my sponge and clean the machine, and it comes out beautifully. The cup is also double walled, so you don't have to worry about burning yourself, or it has a handle that you can use. But like I said, overall, this is such a great little frothing cup. I love how dense and creamy it gets the milk. You definitely will feel that your home barista skills are complete when you go with this cup. And that's just my point of view.